In this short little video, we're going to dive into the Macabacus section of the ribbon. Under Model, under Paste, we can see there's a whole family of different paste options. We're going to be looking at paste number formats to investigate exactly why this can be helpful and save us lots of time. Many of us are familiar with the paste special. We could go into this cell here and do a copy, and then we could paste special the formats down below. Let's look at how that works. We could either hit Control-Alt-V or Alt-ES and bring up Paste Special. We could go down to Formats and then hit Enter. But what happens is we've changed the font color. So we've essentially pasted everything about the format. We've pasted the number formats, but also all of the other formatting aspects like font color, fill color, etc. Let's undo those pastes so we can get back to what we originally had right here and investigate how Macabacus can help. With Macabacus, we have the opportunity to go up to these blue cells and do a copy of all attributes and then go down to the darker color cells and only paste the number formats, which is exactly what we want. After all, we don't want to change the font color of these cells. We only want to change the number formats. Let's take a quick look. So here we go, up to one of the blue cells, copy, which is a Control-C. We highlight across here, and we're going to do paste number formats, which is Control-Alt-F. And right away, we get the number formats, but no changes at all to the font colors. Perfect. Again, it's a great idea to remember that with these shortcuts up here under Model and in Paste, there's a whole family of them. And they're easy to remember. Paste number formats, Control-Alt-F. F for formats. That makes a lot of sense. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.